Good morning guys, Andy Demmer here. Hope you're well. Hope you had a great weekend. So it looks like we're going to have some really nice weather here in London this week. So that's going to be tempting to go out and leave my trading, but I will be disciplined and stick to my plan. Now, I got a question that was asked to me, and specifically it was actually to do with Bitcoin, so not what we normally speak about. But really the concept is the same, whatever market it is that you're trading. And the question was, I bought Bitcoin for 13,000 and right now it's considerably lower than that price. What should I do? Should I close it? Should I hang on, see if it will recover and at least get my money back? Was pretty much the question. Now, here's the thing. What is the big problem here? The big problem is not the fact that the market has gone down, okay? The market does go down, it can go against you. The biggest problem that I can see is that this individual hasn't really got a plan, okay? And that's why they're sending me this question. And this is the first important thing. So when you don't have a plan, this is what happens. So you buy something hoping it's going to go up. And if it does go up, fantastic, nothing to worry about, let's count the money that we make. But then when it doesn't go up, now you have a problem because you're not prepared for it. You're only prepared for the upside. And to be quite honest, if you're not prepared for the downside, probably the individual isn't really prepared for the upside either. Because there'll be a point where the market may go much, much higher. And at what point is this person going to ever take money? Are they going to take a profit when they feel like it? Or have they got a plan? Have they got a target? What is the plan? And so when you invest in something, it's really important, first and foremost, that you think about your exit plan. Okay? So you want to have a plan for both sides and you need to be specific as to what you want to do. Whether you're going to manage it like a trade, whether it's a long-term investment. Now, I don't want to just give you the what you should have done answer. I want to also help you. So here's what you can do right now. What I would do if I was you is have a look at Bitcoin and decide right now if it is something that you would invest in. And if it is something you would invest in, why? Is it because you fundamentally believe it's going to get a much higher price and you're willing to wait for it as long as it takes, so you're just looking at it as a long-term investment, in which case you could even scale into something like this and even buy a little bit more if it's part of your risk management, part of your plan. But aside from that, you want to kind of start looking at this and analyzing it properly. So, what is it that's going to make this go higher? Technically, does it look like a buy? Fundamentally, is it a buy? And where would your target be? Once you've done that process and you've actually analyzed it properly, if your conclusion is actually, probably I wouldn't buy it right now, I'd probably look for it to go a bit lower and then maybe buy it, well, then it's a really simple thing to do, right? Close the trade out. Okay, it doesn't matter if you're in it or not, because if you stay in it and you are correct in your analysis and it does go lower, well, you're just going to end up losing more money anyway, right? So just because you're in it doesn't mean you should stay in it. However, on the other flip side is if you did your analysis and you thought, well, okay, at the current price, it makes sense that actually I probably would buy it. Now that I've done my proper research and analysis, it does look like a buy, so I'm happy just to hold on to it. And then set a proper target, okay? Your target shouldn't be just to make your money back because you've taken risk on, okay? So you've taken the risk off the trade. So therefore you should have a plan to actually get a return rather than just getting your money back that you've invested. Okay, so this kind of thing can be applied to anything. So whether it's short-term ideas with currencies or longer-term ideas with whatever shares or whatever it is or cryptos, the principle is the same. Have an exit plan, whether it's on the downside and the upside. Think about it ahead of time, and if you're in something that you're not sure why you're even in it, then I would just go through the process of analyzing it from the ground up and deciding whether it's something you would actually invest in now, or if it's not, then it's better to get out of it. Hope it helps. Have a great week, good trading, and I'll see you soon with another update. Take care. Bye-bye.